Back to another video, guys. It's 4th of July. We are going to look at fireworks today. So, we are riding this.
Yeah, there's a drone. See that drone? The red and green in the sky?
Oh yeah. There's a lot of cool stuff right now. We are going to go check out some fireworks. Oh yeah. So tonight's gonna be pretty much just a little.
Oh, yeah, they set them off in this cul-de-sac over here. Yeah. They did that like 2 years ago and they set a house on fire. Oh shit. Yeah. Eric had to go over there with his work fire extinguisher. Sweet. Well, hopefully a lesson learned.
So we're just having fun.
Bacon people. So we tried to get some fireworks, but it was sold out.
Yep. There was just no fireworks anywhere.
I heard about that one, but I didn't see any, so I don't know where they were coming from.
That's a bunch back here with that.
Yeah, that's what I said. They were doing it. They posted it, but they were doing it like here. It's only 9:35, so they just started.
So we're just heading to the fireworks right now. And let's see what happens.
We can't see them. Like, well, that's too damn bad. Yeah, feels nice. I wish it would have felt like this earlier when I was cooking. It did not.
How did it feel? Like 900 degrees?
It felt like the pits of hell.
It's just pretty nice out.
Oh, I hear it. We're getting closer.
We're getting warmer. So guys, we are just heading to the
I'll make if I was popping stew. I ain't fucking wasting my money on that shit.
We bring that back.
What did I say? Oh god.
Good singing!
Well, they got like, they're over there, look, over there.
Oh yeah.
They just went off. Yeah? That's it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, we just here. We're here for you. They're setting them up in the street, dude.
Hold on, Dad. Can I get off of the golf cart?
Yeah, come up here. They all never get to drive by.
Yeah. In the middle. Oh.
You can come out here if you want to, because you can't see them. Yeah, just don't go, because I'm right here too.
Oh, yeah, that was wow.
Up close to that person. Trash. Yeah, this isn't like
Oh, don't, hold on. Don't go till I say go.
All right.
Don't go till I say go.
All right.
There's always gonna put me up.
Go.
Alright.
All right, ready?
Yep.
We're going past them.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I think these are just random people in the middle of where we're going.
Oh, say, can't you see? By the guns Wow, guys.
I think those are the ones we were
Yeah.
looking for. Probably out by 10 Oaks, because that's like a dead end. That would be a good spot to do them anyways.
I should have gotten my pajamas.
Oh yeah, this is where we should have been. Yeah, for sure. Look at all the people here. We're like,
Yeah.
oh, okay.
Without a doubt.
This is where Cindy and Jill and them were talking about going.
Yeah.
'Cause she posted it asking where to go for fireworks. Go there by the stop sign. Pass me. Beep, beep.
Trying to see if we see anybody.
Yeah, sure.
Oh yeah, we know them. It's going right. Yeah, we're with them right
Chase! I saw Chase.
now. That was like Chelsea, I think is her name.
I saw Chase. Man, I want to stay over here. A lot of my friends are over here.
I can go park in the grass over there.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, that's without I'm off. Never mind.
Yeah, so just park like right over here. Why don't you pull up right there on the grass?
Hold on now.
Hitting the bump. Oh, shit. I said hit the bump.
I did not think that's what you said.
I want to go talk to my friend. So,
Just set 'em up
pause
on
the
your
video.
Yeah.
You might want to hop off if you want to see.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, dude. This is
Oh,
where it's
yeah.
at.
Let me get up.
Alright, guys. This is where it's at. Yeah, I'm getting right here for a better view. Dad, this is so cool up here.
Right.
I
I know, right?
I want to go talk to my friends.
If
Because
they're
they're-
over there, just be careful. Watch your cars.